So here I am, back, and yet on another continent, and so far so good. It all feels a little surreal right now, but it's coming along well. We haven't moved into our new house yet. We'll probably move in this weekend, and that'll be good. Then I can start settling in, because right now it's just, everything's so strange. But you know what I noticed the most? More birds. There's like a zillion times more birds singing here. When I have really bad jet lag and I wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning, that's what I noticed. A zillion birds. So I promise a real vlog soon.